Hello, my friends. How have you guys been doing? How has February been treating you guys so far? I can finally say that I am 99.9% done with my room. I am pretty much done. I say 99.9 because they sent in my wrong tabletop. It was supposed to be a different size. It's like 2 inches off, so it looks awkward in the back and they have to send me a new one. So as soon as they send a replacement, my new vanity will be officially installed, which is really exciting. My mirror actually got here today, which is what's lighting up my face right now. I do have to get different light bulbs because these are a bit warm. You can't tell in this video, but they pull a little warm, and I want them to read a little bit more white, like daylight bulbs. But this is what my mirror looks like. I wanted to pretty much replicate my old vanity mirror. I have to change the bulbs because this one keeps turning off, but I'm obsessed with this mirror so much. I really love it. I love the size. I love that we were still able to incorporate like the old, like this bulb keeps turning off. Originally, when we designed this mirror, we had designed it with a really large gold border, but it just looked really awkward and it kind of looked like bulky, a little tacky. So we decided to remove the frame and then extend the mirror so it's a lot bigger than it was gonna be, which I love. So I promise a room tour is coming. I'm gonna talk about where I got everything. It's gonna be a detailed filled video, and then I'm also gonna be doing a separate video all about my makeup collection, like an updated makeup collection video, because that's also been really requested. So those videos are coming soon. Today though, I was inspired to just pull out my camera because, well, first of all, I finally feel like I'm back. I'm feeling like myself. I'm getting my groove back. Things are falling into place, hopefully. I'm feeling really good. Changing the space has really helped my creative juices flowing. You know, it's more than just my office and my beauty room. It's like my personal space. It's my little zen den. It's where I sit here and I write and I work. I spend so much of my time here. I want to feel good in here, you know, so adding the plants and just changing this room up has completely given me the motivation to keep going and to start fresh and to try new things and to just, yeah, get back in the groove, man. I'm excited. So like I was saying, I wanted to pull my camera out because I was just about to take off all my makeup, and I thought, you know what? Why not do a little get unready with me? I touched up my lip a little bit ago, but I've had my makeup on for a while. I'm wearing the Wet n Wild foundation, the dewy one, the Photo Finish dewy one. I'm obsessed with it. I love it so much. I'm obsessed with the finish. I love how it lasts. I'm obsessed. But I was just about to take off all my makeup and get ready for bed, and I thought, you know what? Why not bring you along? I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have a sticker on the wall that said, "Keep me where the light is." And for some reason, I had to keep that. I had to keep that sign there. So we went a more classy route. And I know this looks like a Y, but it's not. It's an is. You can't really tell because it's like, you know, it's a little bit, but it's an is, okay? Oh, by the way, I'm sorry about the lighting in here. I want to set up a way where I can add like a little mini ring light back here, but for now we're dealing with the lights that are just in my bathroom. So, guys, I am going to be washing my face. And normally when I do this, I always jam out to music. I have to have music playing at all times. Like, I am absolutely loving this song. I hear it every day. But I'm actually trying out a new cleansing oil. I've been using it for a few weeks now. This is the Innisfree Hydrating Cleansing Oil with green tea. So many of you guys told me amazing things about Innisfree, so I picked up their cleansing oil, and I've been using this to remove all of my makeup. So I'm gonna go in with that, and then I'm gonna be using the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser to just get up in there and wash my face after I remove all my makeup. Let's see, what song can we put on?
I'm allergic to the bullshit. Allergic to the bullshit. Orange soda, Deepak Chopra, Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Me keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks. I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. You can clearly see my vibe is tremendous, but you won't see through the tints in my Tesla.
So I've recently been testing out so many makeup products, you guys have no idea. Besides my Sephora and Ulta haul, I recently did a K-Beauty haul that's coming on Monday, and I've just been putting my skin through a lot. So I'm gonna take a tried and true. I was gonna start using the Thrive Cosmetics Defying Gravity Transforming Moisturizer with Face Lifting Complex. I am dying to try this, but I don't want to start getting into a new skincare item while I'm currently trying out a bunch of other skincare and a bunch of makeup and all of that. So I'm going to take a moisturizer that I know is amazing and is good to my skin. I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream every time my skin is in a pickle. Every time my skin feels irritated, if I see I'm breaking out, this is the moisturizer I always go back to. It's so soothing on my skin. In the morning, my skin just feels like $1,000,000. I love it. This lighting is awful. I look terrible. Right now, I am using the Kiehl's Super Multi-Corrective Eye Opening Serum. I also like to use castor oil on my brows and my lashes from time to time, a couple times a week, just to help strengthen the hair, and castor oil really helps your hair grow. So I'm going to take the Briogeo Be Well Organic and Cold Pressed 100% castor oil. You can use any castor oil you have, of course. And I'm just taking a little bit of that, and I'm rubbing that on my brows and on my lashes as well. I have to go to bed every single night with something on my lips. It's just the way I see it. If I don't put on lip balm before bed, I am missing an opportunity to moisturize my lips. Like, there goes 7 hours where I could have been deep in hydration and I wasn't. So today I'm using the Bite Beauty Agave Plus Nighttime Lip Therapy. Almost broke my neck. And if you thought the lighting in the last clip was bad, just take a look at this. Danny's actually taking a shower. That's why I decided to turn the camera on for a second. I wanted to show you guys because I get so many questions about the Amethyst Essential Oil specifically. I'm opening my drawer, by the way. I keep this one in my nightstand, and I rub this on my wrists every single night before bed. I was using the lavender one on my temples mostly, but actually what I have found, the most beneficial way to use this one is to use it on my wrists before bed, because I'm constantly sleeping with my hands next to my face. So I'll just like rub this on my wrists. I rub them together. Oh my god, it smells so good. Gosh, I love this one at nighttime. This is the best bedtime scent ever. So I love rubbing a lot onto my wrists and on my hands here, because when I go to sleep, I mean, obviously I'm like propped up onto my bed frame, but when I go to sleep, I sleep like this. So I sleep with my hands next to my face. And so I notice when I put it on my wrist, I really smell that scent until I fall asleep. And it just helps me calm down and helps me go to bed. It's so crazy how calming and peaceful lavender is. I love that scent. But anyway, guys, I know I sound like a broken record at this point, but I just wanted to tell you thank you so much for your patience in December and January. I hope I didn't disappoint you too much. I hope you didn't feel abandoned. I'm here. I love you. Let me know if there's any specific videos you want to see from me. I love you so much, guys. Good night.